Start in high plank position with your wrists under your shoulders and abs tight. Lower knees to floor. Bend elbows and move torso toward floor. Go as low as you can. Push through palms to straighten arms. Do 5 reps. Stand tall with feet hip-width apart. Hinge at hips and push your butt back and down to lower into a squat. Keep your chest lifted and abs tight. Push through your heels to return to standing. Do 10 reps. Start in high plank position with your wrists under your shoulders and abs tight. Lower knees to floor. Touch opposite hand to opposite elbow or shoulder. Do 16 reps, alternating hands each time. Stand with feet together and with your arms by your sides. Jump feet and arms out together and raise your arms so they meet overhead. Jump feet back together and lowering arms back down to your sides. Do 20 reps. Thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel.